My name is Zoe. I'm an intern here at Lumentum for the Transport Business Unit, working on the high-powered lasers team. I am a design verification characterization test engineer intern here this summer. I'm currently studying at Carnegie Mellon University, studying material science and engineering, and I am planning on graduating next May in 2024. So a typical day for me, I usually get to work around 8:30 or 9. I'll have my morning coffee while I check my emails and any Teams messages from the evening before. And then I'll usually work on some data analysis or attend meetings depending on what's on my schedule for the day. At about noon, all the interns and I break for lunch. We like to eat in our cafeteria here, and we have this nice table outside that we all sit at until about 1 p.m. Usually in the afternoon, I'll have 1 or 2 meetings or one-on-one with my manager. And then I like to get some lab work done if I have that, or I'll finish off some data analysis. I usually head home around 5 or 5:30, so it's a pretty typical day for me. In terms of projects I've worked on, I've done a lot of very different things this summer. I've gotten to work on some failure analysis for industrial diode lasers. I've also got to analyze some production data, performing statistical analysis of large production batches on the industrial diode lasers, as well as some telecommunication lasers and some fiber lensing productions. I've also gotten to work on designing an experiment for fiber cladding light stripping. I think that might have been my favorite project because I got to work on designing the experiment all the way from the concept of the idea to collecting the results. My test setup was made of things that we already had, so it was a lot of talking to other people with various areas of expertise to see how I could execute this experiment well. So from my time here this summer, I've gotten to learn a lot about the photonics industry and just like semiconductor lasers and the physics of light. It's definitely not an area that I've worked in before, so I really enjoyed just this new experience. Last summer I worked in pharmaceuticals, and I think that after my internship I realized that that wasn't something or an area that I was considering for my career, but with photonics I can say that this is something I would consider doing after I graduate, and it's just been a really great experience overall.